Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the update to the SATCOM website, it appears that someone else has interfered with our site. We've already checked everything that could be wrong, couldn't go wrong, and it's just a coincidence. It's a coincidence that it's just so happened now. Out of all the times it could have happened, it happened now. Just when we put up the video asking you all if you wanted to join student loan, home loan, or auto loan, or construction loan, or HELOC, excuse me, home equity line of credit loan, you can join a lawsuit. They're still in default. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, we have another link for you. That's right, another link. What's the link? Let me show you the link, okay, just so y'all get it. So y'all can just go here, we put the document up here for you. See, take a look at it. There's the document. All you got to do is fill in and send it. What address? The 333, I think it's Columbia. Wait, hold on. You just pay attention to the video. Wake up. The district court at Washington, D.C., comma, address. Stop listening. 333 Constitution Avenue, Northwest, Washington, D.C. Those of y'all who can't see it, the 333 Constitution Avenue, Northwest, Washington, D.C. What's the zip code, homie? Well, give me a second. I'll find the zip code for you. Let me see. Is that the 333? That zip code is 2001 20001. Party over. It's out of time. So 20001. Okay? That's the zip code. Come to this video to find the address. What we gonna do for y'all? What we gonna do for y'all? We gonna put the address in the end of this video and the other video. Y'all don't need no Barrett Pettyman or whatever crap. Y'all just need this part right here. Okay, just put United States District Court on the envelope. It really is that simple. It ain't complicated. I mean, it really ain't complicated. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we're going to do for y'all. We're going to put the address here. Watch this. Okay? And we're going to put this right here. 20001. Yay! Now we got the complete address. Wait, we're going to do both. We can't just do y'all like that. We're going to take y'all to the phone where y'all can dial the phone. Because other than that, I was going to put the form up on the computer and let you guys just copy it. But here, you can download it. And there you go. There's the address for the court. Let me do that for y'all because I know some of y'all lazy. Wake up. District Court of the United States. Stop listening. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the official title for the Constitutional Court, the non-core court. I know some of y'all are not going to get it, but that ain't important that you don't get it. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm doing right now is I'm making sure it's in all the videos. The videos that we told y'all about. Hold on. $400 billion lawsuit. Woo-wee. We're going to put it in this one. It's that one right there. Watch this. There you go. Got it. Get it. These links will be working shortly. Now, wait, hold on. We got to save this. For those of y'all who clicking on the videos, we got to save that. Now, we got to go back to the lawyer. This one right here did that video last night. Last night, y'all. And she gonna sit up there and then some of her people gonna see the video because I know she got my message. I know she got my message. She ain't even called me back, y'all. I'm waiting on her. I got something for her. Okay? I just want to talk. I want to talk sensibly because she tried to play me for woosah. Woosah. Apparently, they're about to around and find out. So, if anything, you guys need the credits. So, this is a way for you to get the credits lawfully without missing a beat. All right, now look, I gotta go, but I just wanted to let you guys know that document is up. Ain't nobody stopping us. Okay, gotta go.